guys, welcome to another week of Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Graycie.
Hi everyone!
Now this channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles, so if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe.
Today we're going to show you what we call the pine cone braid. So let's get started.
I started by putting her hair into a ponytail and I covered her elastic band with her hair using the topsy tail. And I also wet her hair down just to give better grip and to tame those flyaways. I also put gel in it. Anything I use in this tutorial, I'll leave a link in the description box below. The first thing you're going to do is to split this ponytail horizontally in half. Make sure you have it in equal parts. So you're going to take this bottom half and you're just going to put it to the side for now. You're just going to work on the top. Now you're going to just take a small section on the right, split it into 3 equal parts, and start off with a stitch of a braid. Then you're going to take a small section from this left side and bring it over here. Combine it with this strand, and now you're going to go ahead and do a stitch of a braid. So just add a small piece from the left side onto this strand here. Do a stitch, and this is all repeated until you get all the way down to the end. As you're going down, make sure that this braid is directed this way, to the right. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and continue braiding down a little bit more. I'm just going to secure this temporarily. Okay, so now you're going to take a small section from the left side of this bottom strand. You're just going to have this set aside for now. You just hold it with a clip. So with the rest of this, see all this extra space in between? You're going to take your finger on top of the first section of this space and grab a small piece from this ponytail. Just grab a small piece and bring it right through, just like this. And just put it to the side. Again, the next space, put your fingers through and grab a section and pull right through. You're going to continue with this all the way down until each of the spaces have a strand through them. Okay, so now that you have it all through each of the strands, I'm going to go back over here, take this down. Now you're going to split this into 3 equal parts. You're going to do a stitch of a braid. Now you're going to grab each of the strand, each separate strand on this side. Complete a stitch of a braid again, and just keep on going all the way down until you've completed each of these strands into the braid. Now you're gonna go back over here and you're just gonna adjust these and loosen them out a little bit. Because she has such long hair and you don't really see the definition like you do up on top of here, I'm gonna go ahead and just secure it a little bit down here. I'm gonna put a little gel just to define these crisscross look. Just tweak it to the way you like it. Put some more gel if you like, just to have that more defined look to the strands. It does remind me of a pine cone going this way and this way. And there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. We're always up for a good challenge, so if you know any styles that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comment section below.
We love feedback, so let us know about your success in following our videos and what parts we might be able to improve on.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
Also, click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button. To watch more of us, click on over there. Until next time, learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye!